What's up everyone? In this video, I will give you guys a proper guidance for installing Java Development Kit, Eclipse IDE, and to create your first Java program in the Eclipse IDE. So, without further ado, let's kickstart the video. First, we have to install Java Development Kit from Oracle website. Follow the steps carefully. Click on the JDK download link. Scroll down, and you'll be able to see Java Development Kit for Linux, Mac, and for Windows platforms. Here, I'm going to download for Windows. After clicking the link, a pop-up for accepting the Oracle license agreement will appear. Give a click in the box, and go for downloading the JDK. I have already downloaded the JDK, so I'm canceling the download. But you have to download it in order to install. Now, let's go for installing the JDK. After downloading it, click on Yes. Click on Next. Remember or copy the location, because by using that, we have to set the environment variables. If you want, you can change the installing location, but remember that location. Click on Next. It will start to install, so wait for some time.
One eternity later.
After it get installed, click on Close. Now, we have to set the path for JDK and environment variables. If you didn't change the location while installing, it will be easy for finding the Java folder. If you did change the location, don't worry, it will be easy for you guys too. Now, let's go to that location. In my case, I didn't change the location, so it will be in Program Files, which is in C disk. You will be able to see the Java folder here. For those who changed the location, find the Java folder similarly. Hereafter the steps are common. Now, open the Java folder, then JDK folder, and bin folder. Now, copy this location. Then search for environment variables in the search bar on the bottom. Click on Edit the System Environment Variables. Now, click on the Environment Variables. Under System Variables, click on Path, and give Edit. After that, click on New, then paste the copied location there, and give OK continuously. Now, open your command prompt with help of search bar. After opening, type Java space hyphen version and give enter. You will be able to see the Java version installed in your system, which indicates that you have installed Java successfully. In case, if you didn't get like this, try restarting your system or repeat the whole process once again. Now, after installing Java, let's install Eclipse IDE. Links for both JDK and Eclipse page will be in description. Let's get into the Eclipse page. This is the official page to download Eclipse IDE. Click on Download. Similarly, it is also available for Linux, Mac, and Windows operating systems. Like JDK, I'm going to download it for Windows operating system. So click on Download. It will redirect again to the page for downloading. So, click Download here too. Now, it will start to download. I have already downloaded it, so I'm canceling the download. As you can see, I have it here. Click on it to begin the installation. Eclipse have many features for Java, C and C++, but here we are going for the Eclipse IDE for Java developers, which is the first one. Here, I'm going to leave as default and click Install. Accept the terms and conditions to proceed further. For installing this, you want internet. So, make sure you are connected to the internet, and it will take time based on your internet speed.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
After installing, give Launch to open your installed Eclipse IDE. It's your wish to have your workspace. Here I'm just leaving it default and giving Launch. Your Eclipse IDE will start to launch.
80,000 impressions later. Would you please stop imitating me? It is starting to get very annoying.
If you properly install JDK and Eclipse, then you'll get an application like this, which is our installed Eclipse IDE. Now, let's create our first Java project. Go to File and click Java Project. I'm giving project name as Hello Java, and click on Next. Here I'm leaving it default, and giving Finish. If you want to have it as module, you can give any name to your module, and give Create. But here, I'm not going to create it as module. So, I'm giving Don't Create. And, finally we have created our first project. Now let's create our first class. So, open File, then on New, click on Class. I'm giving class name as First Program and giving Finish. Finally, we have created our class. Now, I'm going to type code for printing Hello World, and let's run and check whether everything is perfect. After typing, give right-click in Run As, click Java Application, and give OK. We got the correct output. Hence, everything is perfect and good to go for other Java programs. Hope this video was a useful one for installing JDK and Eclipse IDE. If you got any doubt, Feel free to leave it in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys in the next video.